Okay, brother. Yeah, this is the Argao.
Argao,
Okay.
Taiwan. Okay.
Okay.
You must remove outside skin like this.
Okay.
Outside like
Ah,
this.
the bark.
The bark. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
exposing this.
Yeah. Just you expose. This is you making with
regular linis, regular clean.
Yeah. You
Brush.
No, brush.
Still
with the
brush.
Yeah, and the manual you like
Ah,
like
okay.
this. Yeah. Okay.
So regular
You
yung tatanggalin yung bark
You
niya.
remove the bark
Because the like this,
like
the
this.
aphids will hide
You with the fungicide and
insecticide.
yeah.
Brush spray.
Yeah, brush. Yeah.
And then how about the leaves? The leaves.
Lips, no problem. Lips, no problem.
How you maintain it to defoliate?
Yeah, just
aphids here.
just here. Just,
Okay.
Just in the body.
Okay.
In the body,
Side,
insecticide. Yeah. In the lips, no problem.
No problem. So every month you need to
One month,
Once a month.
one time. If every 2 weeks,
Spray.
one time. Yeah.
Ah, okay, every 2
Or
weeks.
1 month.
Okay,
Minimum 1 month.
Okay. That was very informative, brother.
Yeah.
I really appreciate it. I love you, brother.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, brother.